Donald Trump wants to expand inland commercial fishing in marine protected areas in the Atlantic and Caribbean. This is a very dangerous threat to all marine life in coastal areas. This has not only angered environmental groups, but some Native American tribes are angered as well as some companies such as Patagonia. They are fuming that this subject is even on the table. So, what does it all mean? These monuments are also known as blue parks. They are home to harbor unique species as well as many endangered species. These monuments were first put in place by President George W. Bush and then expanded by President Barack Obama to become the largest marine protected environment in the world. Now, Donald Trump is in office and wants to destroy these marine monuments to open up inland commercial fishing. These monuments are seen as the last refuge for marine animals like fish, turtles, sharks, whales, giant clams, and the list is endless. So opening up commercial fishing will no doubt kill everything that's there. With this deal on the line, it could lead to a massive setback in the advancements of marine protection. But why would the Trump administration even want to open up inland commercial fishing in the first place? Well, once the area is open up to commercial fishing, it means the area is open up to anything else like oil drilling, and that's where the big bucks are at. So instead of putting more time and money into renewable energy, the Trump administration wants to put more time and money into commercial fishing and oil drilling. Doing this would damage our ecosystem even more than we already have. The places that could be affected by this include John Pennekamp State Park in the Florida Keys, the coastal regions surrounding our east coast, the U.S. Virgin Islands, and waters around Puerto Rico. There are a lot of people upset by this proposal, so let's hope that the American people can come together to stop this act and help our marine environment thrive. What do you guys think of this act? Do you think it could actually happen? Tell us in the comment section below what you think. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and check out some of our other videos. And don't forget, subscribe to Fintastic Films so you never miss out on the underwater world. We'll see you next time.